Hunting wild pigs and coyotes has become a popular activity for farmers across North America. But in addition to hunting with guns, many farmers have used natural and creative methods of controlling invasive animals, using predators that are their natural enemies. Colorado farmers, for example, have used eagles to effectively control wild pigs and coyotes. Now, let's explore how farmers are using eagles to kill wildlife. Feral hogs and coyotes have been a persistent problem in Colorado for more than 2 decades. Feral hogs are known for their destructive feeding habits, uprooting crops, destroying pastures, and even spreading disease to livestock. In addition, coyotes pose a direct threat to farm animals, especially smaller animals such as sheep, goats, and calves. These invasive animals cost farmers millions of dollars each year, and traditional control methods, such as hunting or trapping, are often ineffective due to their adaptability and intelligence. Falconry has been practiced by humans for centuries, and Colorado farmers have successfully used it with eagles. They are known to be powerful birds of prey with keen eyesight and ability to hunt a wide variety of animals. Trained eagles have been used successfully by farmers and wildlife control professionals to naturally manage invasive animal populations. Crucial to the successful use of eagles is their training, which requires skilled people. Eagles are trained to recognize and pursue specific targets, such as wild boars or coyotes. The training emphasizes the eagle's strong hunting instincts while ensuring they can be controlled in a variety of agricultural environments. Eagles are often equipped with telemetry to track their movements and ensure safety while hunting. In some cases, eagles are used in conjunction with other control methods, such as dogs or traps, to maximize effectiveness. The use of eagles is also considered a biological control method, which is environmentally friendly. In addition, eagles can cover large areas quickly, making them more effective in certain terrains than traditional methods. This is especially useful in Colorado's vast, rugged landscapes, where invasive species can easily hide and evade human control. Another significant advantage is the reduction in labor and costs associated with traditional pest control. Once trained, eagles require minimal maintenance compared to other control methods. They can operate independently of humans, reducing the need for expensive equipment or constant human intervention. Eagles' control of invasive species also has broader implications for the ecosystem. It reinforces the role of predators in maintaining ecosystem balance. By reducing invasive populations, eagles help restore native vegetation and animals that may have been impacted by feral pigs or coyotes. Colorado farmers have used eagles to effectively control feral hogs and coyotes. In some areas, feral hog populations have been significantly reduced, resulting in improved crop yields and reduced damage to pastures. Similarly, coyote attacks on livestock have been reduced, saving farmers money and keeping their animals safe. Not only in Colorado, other states in the US are also exploring the potential of using birds of prey as a natural, effective, and sustainable solution. Furthermore, eagles taking down wild pigs also ensure that the carcasses are not damaged. Farmers can process wild pigs for food and harvest fur from coyotes. Coyote fur is the most valuable. The leftovers can be used as fertilizer for crops or processed into animal feed. In general, Colorado farmers do not waste any parts of invasive animals. Do you know what cattle farmers in India fear the most? They fear wild animals attacking their farms, especially leopards. These predators can kill thousands of cows in villages every year. Although Indian farmers are not allowed to hunt wild animals, they have come up with a surprising measure to protect their farms. What are these measures? Let's find out now. To hunt more effectively, hunters need to use the right type of weapons. Large caliber rifles are often used to ensure a quick and humane kill of leopards. There are many brands and manufacturers of guns. Hunters can choose from famous brands or guns that are easy to operate but effective in taking down prey. Hunts should be carefully planned to minimize risks to humans and ensure a quick kill of leopards. It is also necessary to have indigenous people guide and join the hunt, as Australian hunters may not be familiar with the areas and terrain in India. Leopard hunting is not only done with guns, but also involves baiting or possibly using traps. Leopard hunting is often carried out in forests far from residential areas, far from where people live, to ensure safety. Cheetahs in India often climb tall trees to rest. They can also hide in the bushes, so hunters need to observe the surroundings and move gently. Leopards are also very sensitive to smell. They can sense the smell of strangers or other animals entering their territory, so hunters can ambush in certain areas, limiting movement. According to reports, on June 25, 2024, Tikli village in Gurugram was invaded by 2 leopards and killed 10 farmers' cows. Perhaps for many large-scale farms, 10 cows is not a large amount, but for Indian farmers, it is a fortune. Of course, leopards don't just attack livestock in one village, they can attack any livestock farm near the area where they live. Leopard hunts require permission from competent authorities to control illegal hunting. Do you know what the fine is for poachers in India? Illegal hunters will be imprisoned for several months to several years and fined from 5,000 rupees to 1 million rupees, depending on the species on the conservation list. Leopard hunting in India also needs to be controlled to prevent illegal hunting problems. In addition, leopards also need to be preserved to protect their numbers to avoid population decline, because leopards in many areas are considered an endangered species in need of conservation. So, what are the negative effects of leopards on Indian farmers that make them hire hunters to exterminate them? Leopard hunting of livestock in India is a common problem, especially in areas where leopard habitat is close to human settlements and agricultural land. Conflicts between Indians and these wildlife are a major problem. In some areas, the depletion of wild prey such as deer, wild boar, and smaller mammals due to hunting or habitat loss can lead leopards to prey on livestock such as cows, goats, and sheep as an alternative food source. Domesticated livestock are often easier targets than wild prey, especially if they graze near forest edges, which are often easy prey for leopards. Many farmers keep dogs to guard their homes and livestock, but they are not very effective, because in many cases, leopards also prey on dogs. There have been many reports of leopards attacking people and posing a great danger to local communities. According to statistics, a total of 34 people have died due to lion and leopard attacks in Gujarat in the past 2 years, of which 229 were injured. This number is likely to increase in the next few years if India does not take effective measures to control leopards. To prevent leopards from attacking villages, Indian farmers have taken efforts such as building strong cattle sheds or fences, especially at night, which can help protect them from leopard attacks. In addition, Indian farmers also install motion sensor lights, alarms, or camera traps that can prevent leopards from entering inhabited areas. However, these peaceful measures do not really work in the long run. So, they took the crazy measure of hiring Australian and British hunters to hunt leopards to protect their livestock.